Tennant Company, a leader in developing innovative solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world, brings you the M20 high-performance integrated sweeper scrubber. Lower cost to clean and reduce the need for multiple machines with an integrated machine that can sweep and scrub. Achieve outstanding cleaning results in just one pass, wet or dry, with FloorSmart technology that combines sweeping and scrubbing functions in a single machine. The M20 delivers excellent sweeping, scrubbing, water recovery, and edge-to-edge cleaning performance. Ensure consistent cleaning results with Max Pro 2 hydraulic technology that provides consistent power to the brush drive motors regardless of floor surface changes. The synthetic fiber panel filter performs to the same specifications wet or dry, providing exceptional dust control during both wet and dry sweeping. An optional scrubbing side brush increases productivity by expanding your cleaning path. Reduce training and simplify operation with a standard touch-and-go control module that easily and comfortably lets the operator activate cleaning functions while maintaining an eyes-forward position with both hands on the steering wheel. The optional ProPanel control module integrates multiple controls into an intuitive touchscreen interface, simplifying operation and ensuring consistent cleaning performance for all operators. Performance View, featured on the ProPanel, allows operators a rear view of the cleaning path without taking their eyes off the direction of travel. Operators can now clearly see behind the machine while backing up, enhancing safety. M20's spacious cab-forward design, steering wheel-mounted controls, and open sightlines provide increased visibility and operator comfort. Easy-to-identify yellow maintenance touch points make pre-inspections and routine maintenance quick and easy.